In my course, Vedic Wisdom to Ignite Your Inner Light, I'm going to show you how Ayurveda and Jyotish can work synergistically to really impact your life in meaningful ways. Ayurveda, of course, is the science of natural medicine. It's a science that points to the beauty and the glory of nature, to the healing and regenerative capacity of nature, and reminds you that you too are that. And we look at the five elements of space, air, fire, water, and earth. Jyotish is a sister science to Ayurveda, where we look at a larger picture. We look at the cosmos itself, where we're able to see the planets, the moon, the sun, and the stars, and recognize that those too are energies that impact us. So it's a lot like Ayurveda in that we're getting to know, we're developing a relationship with nature to learn the energies of nature and that those energies are within us. So we learn how to balance and harmonize those energies to have a more sacred, sumptuous life. When we look at the sun, we look at the moon. We all know the moon waxes and wanes. We've all heard stories of people who are affected, for instance, by a full moon. Well, in this course, we're going to expand our understanding of Ayurveda to include the moon and this idea of Vedic astrology and its science, which helps us, again, harmonize with these energies that are surrounding us at all times. But it also, above all, most importantly, helps you to know that you too are that. You are just like the light of the sun. You are just like the glow of the moon. And all of these planets and stars creating a matrix of light give the matrix of you. It's just simply an important reminder that you are the coming alive of a matrix of light, energy, and intelligence. And in this course, we're going to not only affirm that, we're going to give practices to continue to cultivate that in your life. So I hope you join me for this course, and I look forward to seeing you there.